Hi guys, GTR Bricks CSX train. It is very cold today.
It's only like 20 degrees.
And it snowed.
Yeah, we're standing on this huge steel bus.
Oh, ride fell.
Oh, I have a tall again.
I see the light through the trees. Well, I did. Hopefully something good. CP 7012 and maybe NS 1800.
Oh, 1.
Or 1801, sorry.
I hope to see
2-engine tanker. 3044 and 3094. Tanker.
Yeah.
I have no clue what's on it. But now I'm below it. Awesome horn. Look at all the stuff. There it goes.
Wait, is it a horrible shot?
Kinda.
I think it's BNSF.
Yeah.
Looks like BNSF. It has to be BNSF. It's BNSF. Yeah. Right? That's BNSF.
Yep. Looks like 2 or 3. 2.
Yeah, it's BNSF.
Really? Oh my gosh, Troy's filming because he thinks there's an H.
Wait, seriously?
There's no H1. To be NSF and no H1.
No wonder it took so long to get here. Gates at Loomis haven't gone over.
hopefully some operation notes.
But it might just be the... What? It is... No, it's manifest. Yeah, might be amused.
Wait, is it gonna blow over the snow here?
Oh, probably.
Yeah, because did you see the other one did it? The last train did.
Hi guys, GTR.
Troy's just starting it.
Waiting
It's me on
Looks
fast
like one engine.
I hate that.
I hate that. There's... it's a new CM 44 bunch of snowmobilers. Not just us snowmobilers, like a ton of snowmobilers. There's a dog in that car! And there they go. And wait for it. Wait for it. And there he goes. There they go.
Oh, there's the train.
And now we see the train.
Wow.
Wow, that was cool.
That was the best flash effect.
Here's the CSX train coming. Person with the Dugers crossing, not having a care in the world about this train that's coming. I believe this is CP. There's that Duger, which is a dog, by the way. CP, I think. Sorry. Wow. Picking up a lot of snow, just like all the other trains. What? Hi guys, JTR Bricks is Norfolk Southern train 206. Hopefully something good. Almost fell off this block. I'm on. Still not the CP. Still not the CP, but the train.
CSX manifest. Still not CP? No.
Hopefully something good.
This looks like two engines.
I think it's it.
Here it is, it's it!
Here it is, it's it, it's it! Here it is.
Here it is. I see it!
I see it!
Wait, is the GoPro screwed up?
Yeah, it's on. It's it!
It's it!
Yes!
It is! CP7012!
Yes!
CP7012!
Let's go!
That was
BTR bricks here.
CSX train.
CSX short train.
Short CSX.
No CSX short CSX train. Looks like maybe RAF.
It's hard to tell though. It's cold.
It is very cold.
That looks like an auto RAF. One engine. Nope, 2 engines, right?
2-engine auto rack.
2 engine RAF.
Short auto rack. How many cars? 16 cars. There it goes. Bye guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to GTR Bricks. Hasn't even included the signal yet. Kind of looks like there's another one, so see ya.